Once you have been done with the profile optimization, you can come back to home tab. Okay, in home tab what exactly is nothing but you will be able to see the all the posts which have been uh, relevant to your profile. It has been shown here. Okay, once it has been done, if you like to create your own post, then you can start creating a post here. You can start writing a post. Okay, what exactly you would like to communicate. You may be seeing that in a LinkedIn there are some stories they will be writing, or some of them will be sharing their experience. Okay, those things you can write it here and directly you can post. You can add a photo or image or any documents also you can attach. Okay, along with your post you can add a image. Okay, you can add a image from your computer, and you can start write about that particular image, and you can say post. And you can add a hashtags also, hashtags like people you know, for them you can add a hashtags. Okay, like Bangalore, like this we can location, or in anything like that we can um, okay, like that we can add a hashtags. Okay, so that the relevant profiles you can add it to a person to whom you like to tag them also. You can add it in a hashtag, and we can post it. Okay, so this way you can create a post. Okay, again you like to create a video, a photo. If you like to share a photo directly, you can share the photo here. Like this they have been shared a photo. Okay, directly you can share the video from your PC, directly upload a video. Then you can create a poll is nothing but, for example, you would like to ask a question and you would like to know the what exactly they are looking for. uh, for example, I will ask how about online education. I will say ask like good or bad. Okay, like this I can add another option. If you have a four options, you can add options here. And you can poll for a 1 day, 1 week, 2 week, like that. You can select duration for the poll, and you can say done. Okay, so that if someone will be vote, they will start voting this one. Okay, good or bad. By looking at the question you will come to know that what kind of the votes you are getting, how many of them saying a good, how many of them saying a bad. Like that you will be able to get it done by using a this particular one. Okay, you can reminder whenever you get a thing, you will be reminded whenever someone get a post. Like you can say here they have been increasing. Like this you can conduct a polls also. You can write the articles writing is very important in a LinkedIn profile. If you write more and more articles, uh, uh, when you have been writing more and more articles, your reach will be more. Because if you are active in a LinkedIn, you will be noticed by the LinkedIn. So that you just try to write an article. For a writing article you can add a photo here. Okay, background photo you can add. Once you have been added a photo, okay, you can delete that one anytime. Then you can start writing them. You can start writing here headline you can give. Then you can start writing your content also. Okay, you can start writing your content here, and later you can publish. Okay, you can publish anytime. Okay, you can publish anytime. And you can do a modification like all the alignments, bold, italic. Okay, you can attach a links here. Okay, directly you can create a links in any of the thing you like to make it as a link. you can make it as a link here by giving your URL. Okay, like this you can create a link for any of the post here, then you can publish. Okay, you can publish anytime. So like this you can create a posts, articles, okay, and photos and videos. You can share photos like your certification, anything you can share, and you can conduct a full search. Like this we can give, you can conduct anything here. Anytime if you like to delete your post, you have to go to that particular post and we have to say delete. Or if you like to edit, edit here. If you like to copy the link to share with anyone else, you can copy the link here. Okay, can see this, who can see this post, in the sense only the anyone is there. If you like to turn off that one, you can turn off that one. Okay, disable comment for this post, no one should comment, then you can disable the comment. Okay, like this we can create a post and we can manage the post by using this three dots also.